Greetings. Today our groups will present our group assignments and the title is Wind Energy for Malaysia. Our group consists of 5 members. I am Seng, the leader of the group, and my members is Nee Wei Sen, Yen Wen, Yew Wei Keat and Ong Wei Liang. For the introduction part, wind power energy is a renewable electrical power generation. The concept of wind power and generation is the conversion of wind energy into electrical power. Wind power is a clean source of energy. Wind power does not lead to significant environmental or atmospheric emissions. And for the flowchart of working principle for wind energy, first, the wind will blow and will turn the blades. And the shafts will spin and turn the generator. The generator will generate electricity. The electric generated will step up by the transformer in substation. Then the electricity will transmitted to the national grid. Lastly, the electricity will distribute to residential and industrial.
Now I'm going to continue the discussion part for our presentation. For your information, there are 5 types of power station in Malaysia, which is conventional thermal, open cycle gas turbine, combined cycle gas turbine, hydroelectric, and biomass. And for the main resources in Malaysia, there is 3, consist of 3, which is natural gas, coal, and hydropower. This table is showing that electricity consumption in Malaysia in year 2015, which for West Malaysia and East Malaysia. For the total electricity supply for West Malaysia consists of 117,219, and for the East Malaysia is 5,903.7. Both of these is in gigawatt hour. And for maximum demand for West Malaysia is 16,822 megawatt, and for East Malaysia is 914 megawatt. Total capacity installed for West Malaysia is 20,701 megawatt, and for East Malaysia is 1,501.9 megawatt.
Hi, I'm Yen Wen. The general working principles of generation for wind energy is to convert the kinetic energy from the wind to mechanical energy, which is turbine, then convert again into the electrical energy. Then the fluctuation of the wind speed will affect the conversion from kinetic energy to electrical energy. That means the higher the wind speed, the faster the turbine spins, the higher the electrical energy generated. Thus, the wind turbines are normally built on onshore and offshore, which have higher wind speed. And there are 2 types of wind turbine in arrangement, which is in vertical or in horizontal. A horizontal wind turbine contains a yawing system, which need high cost in installation and maintenance. Instead, a vertical wind turbine is more cheaper, which does not contain a yaw system.
Hi, I'm Yew Wei Keat. Now I will discuss about the schematic overview of wind turbine component. In the figure, this is the horizontal wind turbine internal structure. So, as we can see here, there is an anemometer. The anemometer is to measure the wind speed and direction. After it measures the wind speed and direction, it will send the signal to the both system, which is the yawing system and brake system. So for the brake system is to reduce the rotation of the blade when the wind speed is exceeding the cutoff speed for the wind turbine. Let's look at the yawing system. The yawing system consists of yaw drive and yaw motors. This yaw system is to align the nacelle, the whole wind turbine to the wind direction, so the blade can rotate with the wind direction. Next, the gearbox. The gearbox connect the low speed shaft and the high speed shaft. The gearbox is to increase the rotational speed of the shaft. Then the high speed shaft is to turn the generator to generate electricity. After this electricity is generated, it will transfer to the step-up transformer at the bottom of the tower. Next, the potential of wind turbine to be implemented in Malaysia. Overall, the mean annual wind speed in Malaysia is not more than 2 mph per second, where the wind does not blow uniformly throughout the Malaysia, and most of the places in Malaysia experience low wind speed throughout the year. However, there are some coastal areas in East Peninsular Malaysia, like Pulau Perhentian, can generate energy from the wind.
Hi, I am Nee Wei Sen, and I'm gonna present about the impact of wind power generation. Wind power generation is a renewable and clean fuel source of energy. Wind power generation does not produce harmful emission to the environment. However, it may cause danger to wildlife such as birds. This is because the blades of the wind turbine will hit the bird and cause them to die. Besides, the turning blades will produce noise that cause noise pollution. The wind turbine will also cause interference to the radar, microwave transmission, and shipping. In conclusion, wind energy can only be used in limited areas and in certain periods. In Malaysia, the wind energy suffers contrasting problems with solar energy. The technology for solar energy is expensive, but for wind energy is vice versa. Malaysia enjoys plenty of sunshine, as much as 3 kW per hour per square meter all year round, but only low wind speed most of the time in Malaysia. That's all. Thank you.